guys, welcome back to my channel. I wasn't planning on doing a video. I was just gonna come take a quick look to see what I would find. And these plants right here really caught my eye. Obviously these would be good indoor plants or shaded in you know, in a bright lit area, just not direct sunlight. Even in the shade, I believe these do well, but I've never seen one like this. I only have one like type of plant that cascades a little bit, but it's the more traditional one, I think, that everyone usually has in their home. Looks like these, the ones that hang, but I've never seen ones with leaves like this. Like, this is so unique looking. Wow. And then I never noticed that this is by Costa Farms, guys. Look at that. This is by Costa Farms. So that is pretty cool. I really like this one. I think that's a really unique one. And this one. But to be honest with you guys, I have a black thumb when it comes to plants that need regular watering. But like I don't know if I mentioned it before in the other video that I just did. They have a new watering system, a pot that will help you not to underwater your houseplants. So I'll have to ask them about that, like when will that become available, and you know, what stores are going to be carrying it. And that's pretty cool for these types of plants. I believe that that is really cool. So I mean, maybe I should try that. Maybe I should try when they do release. I don't know if they released it yet or not. It's a new product. Maybe I should try one of those with like one of these and one of those. Those are so pretty. Let's see. Oh, look, and it has a name. My full name is, can you guys see that? Okay, yeah. I can't see that one. So I like that one. And these are pretty cool. I've never seen these before. They probably had them and I just didn't notice them. Oh, look, see, here they tell you medium light, and then the other one. Here's this one. Oh, that one is called houseplant. How convenient. That's cool. Okay, so let me put that back in there. Anyways, so that's really cool. So that one says medium bright light, and then this one says low light. So it's perfect for areas that don't have a lot of light in your home. So that's pretty cool. I might look into that. So yeah, guys, that was nice to see. Let's see what else. I have all these Mother's Day gift ideas out there. Nothing new. Just one planner that looks pretty nice. I'll show you guys. So these are the planners that I was talking about. They're so cute. They look like little barrels. It's plastic, but I really like the unique plants that are in there. I really want to start collecting more of these type of kalanchoes. And so yeah, look at this one. I mean, well, that one needs a little cleaning, but yeah, I really like, here it is. Here was this one that I was looking at that I really liked. Look at that. I just like the combination. I might get this. Not sure. I need to look at the other ones, but I kind of like the cactus, and then definitely this one. I really like that. I don't know if that's tomentosa or not. I'm not sure, but I think that's a pretty good deal for $15. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plants. So that's pretty cool. Okay, so I thought I liked the cactus one, but I don't know. I really like this one because of these, and then I like this one because of this jade right here. I mean, they all look really pretty, but the one that looks the fullest is these, not the ones with cactus. Those look really packed, and I like the packed look. So that, I really like that. Now I just don't know which one to choose. I kind of like, when I look down, I see these colors here. It's so hard to choose one. I don't know what to choose, but I like the shape of this one. This is a different type of kalanchoe than this one. I don't know the names, but you can tell definitely that it's a different shape. I think this is a tomentosa. I think that's it. So I think that, oh, and I like these. I like these a lot. I think I'm gonna go with this one. You guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment and like, and have a blessed day. Bye guys.